Available now at Type Machinery of Jamestown, we have a 2008 Case IH MX335 with 1,200 hours. Front tires are dual 480 70R34s. Rear tires are dual 480 80R50s. It is equipped with 10 front weights, it has 4 rear remotes. This tractor has a 3-point hitch with quick hitch. It has a 540 1000 PTO. This tractor has a deluxe cab with a leather seat. It has a power shift transmission. It comes with Case IH auto steer and a Pro 600 monitor. If you are interested in this piece of equipment or any other piece of equipment, contact our sales department at 701-252-8200 or visit us online at titanmachinery.com.